Hi everyone! Masayang araw at makulay ang buhay. Ayan, another video na naman tayo for today. So, ayan, outfit check. Dahil malamig ang panahon ay kaya't bagay na bagay yung ating outfit sa malamig na panahon. Ayan, at lalo na't ginabi na tayo. Ayan, let's go! Ayan, nandito na tayo kaagad sa aming pinuntahan. Ayan, nagyaya nga pala yung aking afam dyan. Charot. Kaway-kaway sa mga may afam. Ayan, so, ang sarap ng namin dito. Tawag nito ng dessert. Ayan. Yeah. I don't know, honey. It's look, everything's delicious.
What is that?
This is a brownie, sir.
Brownie. That's like, I want to make sure before I got it.
Thank you.
And then sometimes like, oh, that was a brownie. That's not a brownie. Good day, class, I'm sure. All right. Wait, honey.
Oh.
You can get my pizza. Yeah, I paid for it. See? All right. So is all right. Can I get a recommendation? What is this thing?
I don't know.
What is this?
Excuse me. Yung ito daw, ano daw to?
Malaki ito twisted donut, sir.
Twisted donut.
Is it good?
Yes, sir.
What's in here?
Bali, meron po siya sweet potato, sir.
Sweet
There's
potato?
sweet
No,
potato.
thank you. It was like apple or something, or peach or mango. I do. You want to try a donut or no?
No.
No? You don't?
No.
I do.
Okay.
Okay. What's in there? You want to try this or no? Yes or no? The thing I want you to try are like these things. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Or that. You know what's inside this thing?
Kaya naman pag-init yung side, sir.
The mango? So,
So,
Bestseller, sir.
this?
that's why. Yan na lang yung natira. Oo.
Alright.
But I thinking also that,
Yeah, there's only one left.
aha.
Alright. So, my suggestion is you get something like one of these, you know, or we can always take stuff home too, you know.
Ano pa yung mga bestseller niyo mo dito?
Bali, ito, ma'am. Almond croissant, ma'am, tsaka puto sabaro bread, ma'am.
How about this
Ito,
one?
ma'am. Meron po siyang almond sandal sa loob, ma'am.
What's this? A cherry tart?
Yes, sir. This, strawberry jam po.
Oh, sorry.
Blueberry and mango po.
Are you sure that's not cherry? That's strawberry?
Strawberry, sir.
Strawberry.
It looks like cherry to me. Okay, so you want to try one of those?
I think this one. Let's try. What do you think?
I
Or
really suggest you get one of those.
So, this one.
That one?
Yeah.
That's the one you want to try?
Yep. Kasi
This
parang
is the best
masarap.
seller?
Parang masarap din kasi nag-iisa na lang din eh. Ano tawag nito? Oo.
This is what now? A bestseller?
Aha.
Yes, sir.
All right. I think we have enough desserts.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's too
what
much.
do you want? This is for me. What do you want?
This one.
No, that's fine. You help me pick out what I was going to eat. All right,
Thank you.